In this video, I'll be talking about this very airdrop called Agent 301. Okay, maybe so many of you watching this video right now might have heard of this airdrop or you are already doing it. And for those of you that are not doing it yet, I will leave a link to this airdrop in the description of this very video, and that will be the first link. And in one way or the other, this very airdrop is linked to the dog team. And I'm going to share my thoughts and what you should be expecting, how to go about it in this very video. I'll be looking at dogs price analysis. For those of you still holding dogs like myself, what you should be expecting in the next coming days. Is the market going to dump? We're going to see the next massive pump from here all the way to the upside. All of this and more in this very video. Watch till the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content and educational videos. Right here, there is a brand new airdrop that is ongoing right now. Before I proceed in this video, one thing to note about airdrop is that not all airdrop are legit airdrop, okay? And some airdrop can make you huge amount of money, some will make you very little money. A lot of persons have become super rich using airdrop, just crypto airdrop, and participation, especially in this era of play to earn. This is very important so that when you are doing airdrop, you have it at the back of your mind that the team may not follow the plan, okay? So if they don't follow the plan, then that means your expectation will be definitely be cut short. So what I expect of everyone do is you do airdrop at your leisure and also take it very, very serious, because that can also be a point of turnaround in your life if you are looking to become a six-figure person. So this is very important before you participate in any airdrop. And for this very airdrop, Agent 301, it uses a bot just like every other airdrop does on Telegram. And one thing you need to note about the features is it has tax and participation. Basically, this airdrop utilizes the number of messages that you have sent on Telegram. If you look at my score right here, this is my own personal dashboard. This is 123.3k scores. Now, this is not the number of messages I've sent on Telegram since I joined, but if I click on this view score, it will take me to this very page where you see this message. That is awesome. Since signing up for Telegram, you have sent 38.3k messages. This is the messages I have sent on Telegram since I signed up for Telegram years ago. And if I click on this continue, you see you have a gift for your activity. We give you 38.325 agent point, okay, from the messages I have sent on Telegram since I signed up. And this is what this very airdrop is all about. This is the basics of the airdrop. Now, if you just signed up on Telegram maybe a few years ago or few months ago, you can also boost your point. That is not a challenge, okay? And if I click on continue right here, it will take me back to this very area. And the next feature here is leaders. If I click on this leader, you see leaderboard. Now we have 7.1 million agents, and that is great. So you can become a king by buying an AP. Okay, so this AP are points that you can actually use your money to buy on this very airdrop. Like I said, this airdrop does not cost you anything, but if you want to boost your score, you can actually become a king by clicking on this become a king option. And if you don't bother this, forget about it and focus on the tax right at this very point. So the next features is the tax. Perform this tax, watch the video, publish a story, invite friends, at least 3 friends to get 15 AP, and then join the community, boost your channel. Okay, so if you boost your channel, if you have a channel on Telegram, this can also give you 2,500 AP. Follow them on X, follow them on YouTube, and also other activities right here that you can do to boost your AP. This is very important by performing all of these tasks. And the last one is invite your friend. So if you invite your friend, the more friends you invite, you will get a lot more AP. The link to this airdrop is the first link in the description of this very video. Check it out and join right now. And the last thing here is the wheel. So you can actually wheel and then get a commission. Okay, so this is very important. These are the features that you can see right here on this very airdrop agents 301. Now, one thing very important about this airdrop is that I believe one way or the other, this airdrop is linked to the dogs team, and we need to take it serious. Do it at your leisure, and you are going to get some point from the messages you've sent on Telegram since you signed up. This is very important. If you look at dogs right here, it pumped all the way from this very point to this very area, and then we have this very significant correction. I was talking about this correction and that it is imminent, that this correction is going to come in, and that is the exact same thing we are seeing right now. Now, if you pay attention to what we are seeing on this very chart, because if you are still holding dogs like myself, it will be wise for you to wait for that aggressive pump to come into the market. Let's say, for example, if you have a 50,000 dogs that is already in your account, that is in your exchange wallet, and from here you sell at this very price, and you can say you make some profit, but if the market begins to move upward, you will make much more profit. Okay, and I believe this market did not pump very well after listing. Market begin to dump all of a sudden, and this means that this market have high potential to pump again, especially in the heat of the bull market. So what I am expecting right now from this very token is this. Very simple. If you look at what the market has been doing in the past, you see the market has been coming back down, creating new lows from this very area. We have this very low right here. We have this another low right here, which means there is a sequential downward movement in the chart. So from here, we can see that market have high capacity of moving all the way to the downside because there is a progressive downward movement. And what we want to see before we can say that market is moving down is progressive creation of lower lows and lower highs. Just like we see from here, market come back down, retracement, create a new low, retracement, create a new low, retracement. So the possibility of market creating a new low is very high before the next move to the upside. So what I am expecting right now on this chart is for the market to come back to the downside. And if we cross this very point of resistance right here, I am expecting the next pump on dogs to happen if there is a cross on this very level of resistance. What that means is if the market move upward and break this level of resistance at this very point, market is going to move all the way to the upside. Now, why this resistance? Very importantly, if you notice when the market was going back to the downside at this very area, market move up to from here to this very point and did not create a new low. So we saw a new low at this very area right here, which is this candle right here, break this level of support to create a new low. So therefore, from technical analysis, this very area where the market do a retracement and pause become an important point to us in the market. So this very point where I draw this resistance from is an important point of resistance we need to pay attention to. Why? Because at this point of resistance right here, which market break out of this very level of support, so support here turn resistance at this point. Not only that, we've seen the market come here, was not able to break this level of resistance, the first one, and then the second point is this very area as well. Market was not able to break this level of resistance and they begin to come back to the downside. So what I am expecting is for the market to come back down before the next move upward, and this very movement may be the last move we will see coming back to the downside before that pump will come in. And not only that, if you look at this very stochastic RSI indicator, you see that the market is just coming out of overbought condition. So from this very area right here, market is coming out of this overbought condition, coming back to the downside, further verifying that the market have high capacity of coming back to the downside than moving upward. And that is why I am looking at market moving upward. Not only that, if you look at the sequential move, market has been moving impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement right here. So the market is going to dump again, also in line with the way this indicator is pointing downward. So expect the market to come back to the downside. And then if we break this level of resistance where this yellow line is, the market is going to move upward. This is what we need to expect right now from dogs. And if you take the Fibonacci tool, which is one of the important tools we need to pay attention to as well to further verify our position. So from this very area where the market moved from to this very point, if we draw the Fibonacci retracement, you discover that market already go below the 50% mark of the Fibonacci, which is the 0.5. Okay, so markets have high capacity for me to come back down into this very area of 0.618 at this very point, and this area of 0.786. okay, so I am expecting market to come back down a little bit. Okay, from this very zone will be the final area I am expecting this dump to happen into before the next move upward according to the Fibonacci retracement tool, because from this golden pocket, market always have high chance of moving to the upside once market dump into the golden pocket. And this is very important, and we need to pay attention to this as dogs holders. Now, I know a lot of person make millions from this very dogs airdrop, but if you are holding it for a very long time, you're going to make millions from the little airdrop you already get. And if you get it in hundreds of thousands, then you're going to make massive money in the heat of the bull market when the market begins to move aggressively all the way to the upside. And that is why, because we are moving into that aggressive pump in the heat of the bull market, especially in 2025, it is advisable that if you get an airdrop by this time, you should keep it, okay, for the bull market, expecting that aggressive pump to come into the market. If you want to sell it, there is no problem, but in my own personal opinion, it is better to keep it because the bull market is already in play and we are expecting that very aggressive move to happen right in. So pay attention to all of these, guys. It is very important. The most important thing in this video is the Agent 301 airdrop. Link in the description of this very video. Join it right now. If you like content like this, please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification so that you receive updates like this when next I upload a new video. If you're not registered with Binance, OKX, Bybit, the link in the description, follow and claim all the bonuses. Thanks for watching to this video, and I will see you in the next video.